Okay, so a very last minute rudimentary tips video. A lot of people had problems with this. This is not going to be a regular staple. Please don't expect this. Um, I know last year I kind of kept up with it, but this year I don't know about it. So we'll start off. We need to find the average rate of change. So we need the second point in our graph and the first point. So the point second is going to be 5 plus h, and the first point is going to be 0.5. So this is the function at 5, and this is the function at 5 plus h. And we have to subtract it by the times at which that happens, which is 5 plus h minus 5. So to get the function at 5 plus h, we're going to have to do a bit of work over here. So we have 4 times 5 plus h squared minus 5 times 5 plus h plus 600, because we've got our base function with this as our time. So expanding that out, we have this 25, 5h, 600. Multiply this in, you're going to get 100 plus 40h plus 4h squared minus 25 plus h plus 600. That will all simplify to 4h plus 35 plus 675. Okay. Like I said, not very explanatory, just kind of giving people what they need. So once you sub that back into the original equation, you solve p for 5 is equal to negative, or it's actually positive 675, but because of the negative sign there, plus 5 plus h minus 5. And then that'll simplify to 4h squared plus 35 over h. Now we can factor out an h out of both terms. We'll factor out the h from both of the terms, and they'll cancel out. So we're left with 4h plus 35 is going to equal the average rate of change at any given additional time. So we're at 9 seconds minus the 5 seconds to start with, because our average rate of change, that h, is dependent on 5. So our h value is going to be equal to 4. So the average rate of change, 4 times 4 plus 35 is 51, and I'm not going to verify, but that is correct. So now you can apply this to the IROC formula. So take 5 as your base, and then do 5.1, 5.01, but plug it in to this. So your 5.1 is just going to be 0.1, and then 0.01, and then 0.001, and you'll be able to estimate your IROC much faster.